posted for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties, independent cities, and marine areas in and near the Upper Delmarva Peninsula in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard Kent, Queen Anne, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, Bay north of Trump Point, the entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay, but not including the adjacent Atlantic coastal waters, in New Jersey, Cumberland, and Salem, and in Pennsylvania, Chester. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station WXK 97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards.